Hey everybody, David Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. And if you have a Festool like we do, these things are so awesome. We've been using them for cabinets, stripping wallpaper, coal sanding walls. We use it for almost everything. Almost even a shop vac. So it started overheating the other day. So Chad and Anthony kept saying it kept overheating. They didn't quite know what the issue was, so I asked them if they checked the bag. So we just brought this back, so we're gonna open this up. Just the latch on the side. And you can see how hard this bag is. It's probably been a year. I don't even know the last time we replaced this thing. You can kind of see inside some of the stuff that's in there, but it is compacted. It's one of the things I love about these Festools. They are stupid efficient. Actually, I'll bet that thing weighs 20, 25 pounds. All right, and so we're just gonna take the new one and stick it in, which you can see how long this has been sitting. CTI, yep, same one. So pretty easy. Basically, you're just laying it in. It clips on there. It clips in there, just like that. And this part, you can kind of see the bottom where the hose, it just lays right in. That's it. Clip it on, and you're ready to go. Off to the races. And then again, it's amazing how now that it's got some more movement in there, but man, this thing holds a lot of debris. But it works great. So if you got questions on how to change the vacuum bag, there you go. Hopefully that helps you with your Festool. Hopefully you like your Festool as much as we do like ours, because these things have been awesome to work with. Got any questions about your sanders? Here was one that we actually just out of a rigid that kept overheating too, and that's the front of the bag. So you got to replace these bags. Even though we're using the filters on these, you just got to replace bags. You got to check them. But there you go. Got questions about your vacuum maybe not working right or having issues with suction? Give us a call. DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper, where we're here to help you love the space you're in with painting, cabinets, wallpaper, wall repair, and even figuring out how to fix your Festool. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless.